Selecting the best front and rear dash cam 2026 guarantees top-tier vehicle protection, sharp legal evidence, and complete driving peace of mind on every journey. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. REDTIGER 4K STARVIS 2 Dashcam. This exceptional dual-channel setup blends a sharp 4K front camera powered by a STARVIS 2 sensor with a reliable 1080p rear shooter to deliver dependable day and night video coverage. It excels in low-light environments thanks to built-in WDR and HDR technology, which keeps shadows and highlights well-balanced. Drivers will appreciate the responsive touchscreen alongside hands-free voice commands that make managing emergency locks or capturing scenery effortless while keeping your hands safely on the wheel. Built-in GPS logging tracks your exact route and speed, while fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi makes downloading clips to your smartphone straightforward through the companion app. For longevity and reliability, loop recording works seamlessly alongside a G-sensor that automatically secures footage during sudden impacts. While standard loop recording handles daily commutes reliably, continuous 24-hour parking surveillance does require a separate hardwired kit installation. Number 2. Vantrue N4S 2.7K 3-channel dashcam. Offering unique triple lens coverage, this model combines a 2.7K front lens with dual 1440p interior and rear cameras to eliminate blind spots completely. It stands out as an exceptional choice for rideshare drivers and commuters who need total cabin and exterior monitoring. Night performance is driven by STARVIS 2 technology and plate pix calibration, which successfully sharpen license plates and balances harsh oncoming headlights in pitch black conditions. Installation is remarkably straightforward thanks to a secure magnetic mount, while the 360-degree rotating rear camera easily adapts to monitor cargo, passengers, or trailing traffic. Storage and transfer speeds are equally impressive, supporting high-speed 5 GHz Wi-Fi alongside massive micro SD cards up to 1 TB for endless recording capacity. 4 dedicated smart parking modes provide flexible surveillance options, ranging from motion-activated buffers to low bitrate continuous monitoring. Number 3. VIOFO A229 Plus Dashcam. Designed for drivers who demand supreme clarity, this system pairs dual Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensors to deliver crisp 2K resolution on both front and rear channels simultaneously. The inclusion of advanced dual-channel HDR drastically cuts down motion blur and noise, ensuring license plates remain legible even during fast-paced highway travel. Practicality shines through its reliable quad-mode GPS module, which locks onto 4 major satellite networks for pinpoint route and velocity tracking. Convenience is further elevated by responsive voice control, supporting 12 distinct commands, allowing you to lock clips or snap photos without breaking your concentration. Ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures smooth wireless previews and rapid file transfers directly to the VIOFO app on your mobile device. Its physical form factor is discreet yet durable, handling heat efficiently during long summer trips. Number 4. ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro Dashcam. Combining high-end performance components out of the box, this kit features an 8-megapixel IMX678 front sensor recording in true 4K and a 5-megapixel IMX675 rear sensor capturing crisp 2K video. Optical quality gets an immediate boost from wide apertures and an included CPL filter that effectively cuts out annoying windshield glares and dashboard reflections. Connectivity is blazing fast thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi 6 technology, letting you pull heavy video files at speeds reaching up to 30 megabytes per second without stuttering. Quad Mode GPS integration maps your precise journeys with live speed and compass overlays on the display, making post-trip reviews effortless via desktop or mobile players. Value is heavily maximized here because the manufacturer bundles a high-performance 128GB SD card directly in the box, ensuring you can start recording immediately.
Number 5. BOTSLAB G300H Plus Dashcam. Delivering sharp 4K front and 1080p rear recording capabilities, this model leverages an advanced STARVIS 2 sensor to produce vibrant, true-to-life colors even when driving late at night. Wide-angle lenses spanning 170 degrees up front and 150 degrees in the rear offer expansive lane coverage, helping you spot potential hazards before they escalate. Operating the device is remarkably intuitive thanks to hands-free voice commands that let you securely capture snapshots or initiate recordings on the fly. The wide front f1.5 aperture gathers ample ambient light, ensuring dark roads and poorly lit parking lots are recorded with impressive clarity. Build quality feels sturdy and compact, allowing for a stealthy windshield installation that avoids obstructing your line of sight. Although it lacks some of the ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6 speeds or massive storage expansion found in pricier alternatives, it covers all the essential safety bases brilliantly.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.